Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's find the solution for the 12th question in exercise 4.5. If the system of equations x minus ky minus z is equal to 0, kx minus y minus z is equal to 0 and x plus y minus z is equal to 0 has non-zero solutions, then find the possible values of k. See, this is our set of homogeneous equations. Why? Because the constants in the right side are going to be equal to 0. So if they are telling it is non-zero solution, that means these are non-trivial solutions. This is possible only when d value is equal to 0. So let's find out what is d value. So it is 1 minus k minus 1, k minus 1 minus 1, 1, 1 minus 1. So this determinant's value should be equal to 0 for us to have non-trivial solutions. So let's evaluate this determinant. So it is 1 into 1 minus of minus 1 is plus 1 plus k into minus k plus 1, then minus 1 into k minus of minus 1 is plus 1. So this value is equal to 0. Now let's simplify. So this is 2 into 1 is 2. This is minus k into k, so minus k squared, and this is plus k, another minus k minus 1 is equal to 0. So plus k and minus k will get vanished. So 1 minus k squared is equal to 0 or k squared is equal to 1, which means k can take possible values of plus 1 and minus 1. So the possible values of k here is plus and minus 1. In the next video, we will find the solution for the 13th question in this exercise. See you in the next video. Bye.